there everybody, this is Steven with another Pixel for Life video tutorial. Today we are just finishing this, sorry about that. We are just working with this WordPress tutorial, and I'm sorry for the lack of updates and videos. I have been busy with school. Tomorrow, which is Monday, which is actually my last day for this semester, so I'm happy, excited, and should be bringing you some more tutorials. Alright, so the first thing today is oopsie that I did was forgot that this background over here is a gradient. So the way that I'm going to do this, because it's in a specific spot, the gradient starts, I believe, oh, okay, maybe I was wrong. Maybe it's not too specific. Let's erase this. Yeah, okay, I thought it was just a certain section, which it's not. So what I'm going to do is collapse that so the gradient is collapsed, and then I'm going to grab a selection of this background. Let's zoom in a little bit, and come on. Okay, grabbing the selection. Going to try to get 1 pixel. Alright, and then drag this all the way up. Let's zoom out, drag this up, and then drag this down. I don't know how far down we're going to go. Let's see. Whatever, let's go with that. Enter. Then we have this sweet looking line. We're going to save for web and devices, which is that weird claw shape. Save. Slap it on a desktop, and we'll call this main underscore background. And then one last step you want to do is get a selection of this bottom over here. 0F, 0F, 0F. Copy that, click cancel. Let's close out of this. And then pop into Coda. And I have this main background image, which is right here on my desktop. And with Coda, I can just drag and drop it into our images file folder. And you want to make sure that you upload it. I've had many times I was wondering why it wasn't working, because I forgot to upload it. So over here in this background, we're going to come over to right here and type URL images / main underscore bg.png. Then we're going to go repeat x00. And then if I remember correctly, I might be wrong, I can just paste in that code there and it will finish off the background. If I'm wrong, you guys are probably laughing and about to smack me. So let's refresh. Take a look. And it looks like it somewhat worked, except the gradient is different right there. So I'm going to pop open Photoshop, and I'm just going to, actually I think I need to make a new document. So any size, pop open Photoshop, click, drag off to, I can't see it, I think it's right there, 1, 2, 1, 2, I don't know. I think that's it. And paste it in, save, upload it, and let's see if that looks better. That looks worse, my gradient's in the wrong spot. Let's just go back to normal and we'll leave it as is. Okay, so now that we have that, let's see what we're going to do next. We're going to stylize this main section over here. You can see the font is black, hard to see. These titles look like crap. So we want to fix that a little bit. And what we're going to do is come over here, body, font family is over there. So let's just clean this up a bit and go color, and we'll make it, let's just go with a white for now. Font weight normal. Then we also want to stylize the anchors, and for the anchors I want to give it like a light blue color. So let's come over to this text file here. Need to open up that text file and see what color we had for the blue text. So center, we didn't get a blue text, did we? Maybe this is it. Okay, so what I want to do is come over here. Let's see if this works. Go A, and color is going to be this. Text decoration, oops. And we're going to have underline. Save it. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, very cool. And this looks a little bold. I think it's just my Firefox messing up at the moment. So I'm not going to worry about that. What I want to do actually is make this font size a little bit smaller. So we're going to make it font size, we're going to make it, let's try 14 pixels. Refresh it. Let's see. That looks better. Okay. So actually, let's work on this footer now, because I can't concentrate with that weirdness going on there. And we have footer. Let's go with margin top, and we'll say 30 pixels. And then, let's see, do we want a background color? Let's try this. Let's see what this will look like. We're going to steal the background from the main background. And let's, what else could we do? Let's give a rounded border, or yeah, rounded corners. Let's see what that'll look like as well. I'm just messing around with this. We'll see what happens. Refresh. And can't see too much. Let's give it some padding. And apologize for the sloppiness here. I'm just messing around. Padding, we'll go 15 pixels. And since we did that, we need to get rid of some of the width. 30 pixels from the width. So we're going to change that to 930. Okay. So we got that. Let's also do text align center. And that should center all the text inside. And then we'll do font size, and we'll do 11 pixels. And then color is going to be, let's try CCC. I think that's a light gray if I remember correctly. We could also make it this sidebar color actually. Sidebar color is just 8. So let's make it that color. Okay, nice. I like the way that looks. Okay, so now that we have that, we need to work on stylizing the posts while separating them a bit, and I don't have too much time, so let's just see what we can do. And it looks like the class is post. So over here in content, underneath content, we're going to go dot post, and we will go margin top 25 pixels, and I don't think we need a border or anything on there. It's probably all that we need. Looking pretty good. And let's see. Let me open up the image that we have of ranking up and see what it looks like. Now we have to get these titles on there somehow. I haven't figured out how I want to do that yet. We'll worry about that later. And I have 1 minute left, so let's just let's get started on the sidebar with the the social networking icons. So at the bottom over here, I believe this is the spot. We're going to do a UL and then LI. Let's just give it LI just to get this started. Copy it, and let's see how many of these we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, copy that. Paste. Paste. Okay, I'm out of time, so we're going to have to leave it at that. Just getting started to put in these social icons. And that's going to end it for now. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.